Well, that's quick.
Nope. No, I messed it up. I messed it up. Press zig when I should have zagged. Oops. Okay. But yeah, we're gonna get right into it here. Here we go. Man.
Got a red shirt. You know what happens to the red shirts?
They become security in the next generation. All right. So we're looking at ourselves on the stream.
Yeah.
Over there. We're looking good. Close that down. Be minimized. All right. So we're officially streaming. Are you still with me?
Moving. Yeah, I'm still here. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yes, but glitchy. I'm glitchy. I don't know. I don't know. I might have to change to back to Shaw or something. You can still hear me, right?
I can still hear you. Yep. DevOps, Donkey, and I are here.
Oh yeah, there we go now.
We're going to do a promo of the stream. I'm going to remember today.
Talking to some jackass.
Yep. I'll let's see. Is there a some kind of thing here? I don't know. Should have given me some kind of short link for it. Here we go. There it is. Video link. Copy video link. Here you go. I'll put it in the Discord chat for you. There you go. Promote. Here we go. Come check it out. Sorry, we're talking about Python. We're going to do a lab today. Talking to some jackass. Come check it out. Have a look. Yeah, we're gonna post this. Post that to Facebook. I'm just doing something on the other screen on that, and then raise that differently on LinkedIn.
I think I can change my wire. I think my can go hardwired instead of wireless. That might fix me.
Okay. Scott and I are live on YouTube talking about Python. Heal my dev ops done.
This sucks.
Yeah.
Same
Yeah,
here.
it does.
You still hear me? Okay.
I can still hear you. I'm gonna just unpause. All right. Yeah, we can.
Okay.
So,
It's all good. It's just really as long as it's good for you, I'm all good.
yeah, that's good for me. I can hear you. So
Where?
probably gonna have to turn on desktop audio, and that's fine. Let's see. Tab over here. Oop. No DevOps donkey. Are you still there? Why can't I hear you? You can hear me.
Okay, hang on.
I can hear you again. I don't know what's going on. It's weird. We're both doing new stuff with our
Now
setup,
again?
what?
I think this might be the last time I do this one. I don't think I can do this with this computer anymore. Do you hear me now though, right?
I do. All right, I'm gonna pause that music.
Slight delay there. We can deal with it.
All right. So here we are. Good job, DevOps Donkey. All right. How loud is that? That's not terrible. A little bit. Okay. So we're doing the Python.
Oh, you watch my,
what do we? Is that what
you
we're
watch
doing?
my hole in one there?
Your hole in one?
Yeah. See it. The picture there of the hole in one was me doing DaVinci Resolve. The second one, right underneath your deal.
Oh, that's yours?
Do it.
Hilarious.
How every golfer sees their shot.
Yep, exactly.
And
oh, look at that. And it goes right into 12 Python projects. Look at knew we were coming.
Yeah.
It's not in the alphabet and it's not in the newsletters.
I don't know that we...
I gotta click on a different audio, but to be honest, I'm just gonna observe, and I don't need to hear what she's saying. It actually works.
It actually
just kinda tell me what-
I heard it. It's kind of...
Worked out last.
Oh, okay.
Worked last time.
Okay.
Yeah.
That they've already guessed, so that just means that they've typed in a wrong character, and we're gonna print an error message saying.
How far in were we in this thing? Yeah. We didn't even finish this. It was pretty long, right?
We'd gotten to the point where you've done Hangman. This is not good, is it? I might bail on this and just connect on my Mac.
I can hear you.
I don't think my computer.
I can hear you, but the donkey is not moving around. But the donkey is hilarious.
Yeah, donkey's hilarious. Frozen, damn frozen donkey. All right, hang on.
Donkey.
Bear with me for a second. I'm gonna change the camera.
All right then. Okay. Let's do it. See where we are. Oh, it's fine. Let's see what's happening. I find that with SnapCam, you have to open the task manager and end it in the task manager. Even when you close it, it kind of stays open for some reason. So I've had to Control Alt Delete and close SnapCam in the processes, however you say that. in that context.
Now there's a lot of crap running in here that doesn't need to be. That's the other part. Silliness. Oh, there it is. Yep, still running in the background.
Yep.
Right on.
That's what she does.
Yeah, and then change this one. You see probably snap cam in there or something.
I just see, I see OBS.
Yeah. Okay. Properties, right? Properties. And I'll change it to that one. I have to change my frame now a little bit.
All right.
Yeah, I think that's what it was, hey, because you can hear me fine now.
Oh, yeah.
Let me redo that. Slim. Technical difficulties. Fish. Okay, and then that one. Transform to fit the screen. There, so it doesn't totally screw you up. Oh, you hear stuff now.
Yeah. Hey, hold on. I'm just gonna. Sorry. We will. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, too much processing for that.
Okay, here we go. Okay, let's listen to this TED Talk.
Battle axe.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
That's I'm a petty bitch. The first Jurassic Park.
Hold on. You ready? Oh, come on.
You have no idea what.
No, hold on. Here it comes.
That's I'm a petty bitch. The first Jurassic Park came out yesterday, 28 years ago. Saw it in theaters. Raise your hand. Yo, battle axe. That's I'm a petty bitch. First Jurassic.
That's
yeah.
That's a story. I raised my hand.
Yeah. Remember if I think I waited for that to come to video. I think the one I remember, the only one I ever went to for the day was that Star Wars Next Generation one that we went to when I was there.
Oh yeah.
Crashed this where they crashed onto the Earth. The Earth.
They crashed onto the Earth. That must have hurt.
Yeah. All right. I think what had happened last time, now our technical difficulties seem to be resolved. So what happened last time was we got to this point and it was close to the end, and there was something where it was calling the function at the bottom in your figure out had changed what she had changed, and we had looked at the so if you really want to shortcut through this cheat way, we can go to the finished product, which is something I do sometimes. stuff out. I froze again. I froze again.
Yes, you are. But I can hear you talking.
Let's start this again. I
There's a set
wonder-
of the letters in the word that we haven't seen yet. I'm
You
just going to
seem to
keep
define it.
decrementing that. So the condition
No,
that I
you're
have to
frozen for me
satisfy
as
for
well.
when the
I'm frozen
user
for
gets
you?
all the letters in the word is when the
Weird.
length
For a
of
second.
word letters is actually equal to 0. So while the length of word letters is greater than 0, I'm going to keep iterating
Weird.
through this input until
I'm gonna hang up.
they
I'll be back
guess
in
all
2
of the
minutes,
letters.
4
All right.
minutes.
All right. All
So
right.
my while condition is going to be while the length of word letters is greater than 0, iterate. So let's just add that in there. So before we can actually play this game of Hangman, we need 2 things that we need to tell the user. So the first thing is what letters they've already used so that they can keep track of what they've already guessed. So we're just going to have a simple print statement, and then we're going to say space.join use letters. And what this .join does is it turns this list into, or iterable, into a string separated by whatever the string is before the .join. So in this case, each of these letters will be in a string separated by a space.
If you say so.
The second thing that we need to do is we need to tell the user what the current word is, but with dashes where the characters that they haven't guessed are. So in this case, I'm going to first create a list where every single letter that they've guessed is shown, and where all the letters that they haven't guessed are just dashes. And then I'm going to take that list and I'm going to join it with a space just like above so that we can create a string using that list.
Oh, that's cool.
In that game, I literally could have guessed as many times as I wanted to. So let's make this a little bit more fun. Let's introduce the concept of lives into Hangman, because usually in Hangman, you can only guess until the guy is dead, right?
Yeah.
So let's say you get 6 lives. So the first thing we have to do is if the user has the letter in word letters, then you want to remove the letter. But if they don't, then that's when you want to take away a life. So with my lives variable, which is set to 6 at the beginning, I'm just going to subtract 1 there. And I'm going to tell the user that your user letter, is not in the word. And then everything else should stay the same. Now at the very beginning, I'm going to say where I show the user the letters that they've already used, I'm just going to tell them you have X lives left. And then, they can guess the letter. And right now, our while loop condition is set to, as long as they still have to guess more letters in the word, they keep playing. But now we have another condition, right? We have the condition of lives. So as long as either A, they haven't won yet, which is when the length.
Back now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Oh, okay. Yep. Hello. I don't see video, but I can hear you.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
Oh, there he is.
big now.
Let's go back. Yeah. There we go.
Oh yeah, that's way better. Okay, so what I learned there is that I was trying to get that fancy thing to work on the PC because it won't work on the Mac, and I remembered immediately after we started, unfortunately, the frustration of doing streams with non. So there you go.
With non what? You cut out there for a second.
An hour.
Oh, nope, you're cutting out again. I don't know what's going on. The noise cancellation on your Discord or something. It's cutting out every third word. So you learned the frustration of it. That's what I heard.
I don't know what else to try. Oh, maybe to turn on the wireless.
Not sure.
See, we get time. Oh yeah, we're caught up now. We get times like it's perfect. I think I just needed to buffer.
Yeah, it's weird.
All right, well, let's just muddle through the best we can.
The
Yep.
letters is greater than 0, or
So she, while you're restarting or whatever you're doing, she introduced the concept of lives into the program. Lives, yeah, because she's making a Hangman program, right?
Yeah.
So you can see up here, she created live 6, and then
when
down
they
here.
haven't died yet. So up here,
Yeah,
we're going to
then
add
the
another
loop.
condition in this while loop.
Correct.
We're going to
while loop.
say while the length of the word letters is greater than 0,
While
and
the length is greater than
lives
0, and
greater
lives
than
are
0,
greater than 0.
then we want them to
Then
be
we
able
want
to
to be able to guess.
This means that as soon as they either win, when they've guessed all the
I'm
letters,
just gonna put a
then they exit this while loop. Or when they've
increment
died, when
counter to know which
lives
one you're
equals
on.
0, they exit this while loop. So at the very end, right now we're telling them that they've guessed the word correctly, but now that's not the condition anymore for this while loop. We also have an aspect of lives. So if the lives equals 0,
you're
then
not
they
typing-
actually
yeah, it's her
died. So we
typing.
say, sorry, you died. The word was blank. Otherwise,
I
in
wanna
this else
type all
statement,
this
we can
crap out.
say,
I don't
yeah,
type all
you
this
guessed
crap
the
out.
word. So now let's try again.
Sometimes I just watch it for the learning lessons, and
Well, you see, when it was short, when they were shorter, I was doing that, and then once I saw that, like all the rest of the code, I kind of want to just watch what she's doing, so she explains it. Then I want to copy and paste it, put it in one of the compilers, and then run it.
absolutely
Yeah, that's
Hangman
what I
with
want to do
all of
today.
these different components.
exactly what I would do. Just take the code, copy it, run it through the Python thing, and then you just figure out the code.
Break the code, fix the code, alter the code. All right, that was it. Okay, that was the whole. So where in here was her code? She has a link to it, doesn't she?
Yeah, there's a link. There's a link to every project in GitHub.
YouTube, Kylie Ling, Kylie. I keep saying
Look,
link.
show more. I know in the description.
Up here, yeah. All right, so code, Hangman, GitHub. Yes, sir.
So this is actually where you're going to practice your Git stuff first. So you have something in GitHub that has 3 files. How would you think that you would get this? And if you don't want to play along, but there's a command that you use that rhymes with loan to get GitHub stuff.
What is Visual? What's that? Visual Basic? Huh? What's the difference between this and this?
That's just 3 files in the project. That's all it is.
Oh, this is
So you need all
yeah. Okay.
so you can do okay, go back. Go back. So underneath the code thing, I click there. And then click on the copy thing.
Or download zip.
No, don't download the zip. You're using clone. You're a DevOps engineer now. Don't download
Oh,
nothing.
so you're using clone? This?
Yeah. So
So
copy.
here with this? Is that a copy?
Yeah, try the CLI one though. Does the CLI one give you?
Repo.
Oh yeah, no, just HTTP. Ask you for a password or anything. So copy. Yeah. Now go to a folder in your terminal. You can command, or you can open Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code may be easier on Windows because you can get to the terminal faster, but
Oh yeah, this still has my hangman in it.
yeah.
Look what I typed.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Now what do I do with my copied file?
so go just get rid of that message there. Yeah. Okay. And where the Python is, the coding / Python and the terminal.
Down here?
Yeah. Just a command line. So go to the end there, and you should be able to
here.
go git clone and then paste.
Is it
No.
one word or two?
No, 2 words.
Oh,
Git
I'm
and
sorry,
git.
I have 2
Yeah.
keyboards here. I was using the wrong keyboard. Git clone. Paste.
Yeah, this,
Weird.
I
Yeah.
don't know what's up. Yeah. And the enter should give you a hangman. Yeah, there you go. So now you have a new folder called hangman. You see it?
Oh, here?
No, you have a new folder called hangman. Folder. That's
This
a file.
this is a folder?
That's a file.
Uh-huh.
The one. That's a folder.
That's the one I was pointing at when I said this one.
Oh, I can't. There's just a delay.
Oh, okay, I see.
So that's the one, yeah. Click down, yeah, and then you'll see them all. So directory structure on your Python window
Mm-hmm.
or your Python terminal thing at the bottom, coding Python, desktop coding Python there.
Yeah.
That's CD, like just any Windows command, CD into hangman. So change directory hangman.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, now you should just be able to do Python hangman or Python hangman visual, and if it's working, it should work.
Do I have to do .py or just like this?
Yeah, you have.
Oh, okay. So I can say, oh, see, it's not in the word. Oh man. I have 5 lives left. E I O U.
You're gonna do the Homer Simpson one. Q, another
Q.
Q.
Yeah, Q. So it's T
Audacious.
and the word was rub.
That rubs me the wrong way.
Yeah, but she didn't show how to do the visuals. Maybe that's in the next lesson.
What's that?
Like this stuff here, and like what we had gotten to, she hadn't shown this stuff at all. Like the dashes here that shows you an actual
There's
hangman.
the visual part. I don't know if she says all their. I've done
Yeah,
more
she did.
visual stuff in the code, or
Oh, maybe.
maybe.
Yeah, it could be.
We skipped past it pretty well, but I don't think. So let's go through the code and just to explain it rather than
Jumping over it. Fine.
yeah.
Okay.
So so just open up the hangman.py in the new folder. That's that one. That's the new one.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Just
Yeah,
without
okay.
without notes.
Yeah. So import random, import words from words. You remember that part, right?
Yeah, we got it from a file, and
Yeah. JSON file, made a JSON file with a bunch of words from
Yeah.
the internet
Mm.
somewhere. And then so import random, import words
Yeah.
from words, and then where is it? Word equals get valid word.
just
Yeah,
without
okay.
without notes.
Well,
Yeah.
I don't see where the get valid word function is. Got to be in one of the other files.
Well,
And then word, letter, alphabet. Oh, so that changes. Oh, so you see what that thing, line 14? No,
mm.
line 14.
Yeah, it changes everything to uppercase.
Nice. Yeah, okay, cool. Moving on. Correct, sir.
Yeah.
Ding, ding. What else do we got here? Same thing for 17.
Oh yeah, just moves it to upper.
That remove. So 20. If use letter in word letter equals remove. So that's taking the letter out.
Mm-hmm.
Else if use letter in use letter, you've already used that character. Another Q, print character, and print user input. So that all makes sense, right? Nothing.
Yep.
Nothing earth shattering.
Yeah. No, it all makes sense. It was almost there. Like the code.
Yeah.
It's just.
Let's just look at the other two files as well. So look
Yeah,
at
for sure.
visual.py.
So we're this is just the JSON file. This one, with all the random words that it could be. Which is fine. You know, there's the.
visual one.
And then the visual one, oh yeah, okay. So
Yeah, so that's probably just a copy and paste from somewhere. Yeah. So
yeah,
whichever
makes
gets
sense.
one, that shows the
So so at the 7th guess, there's nothing. The 6th guess, you get one line. The 5th guess, you get these. Then you get the noose. Then you get the head. Then you get the body. Then you get a leg. Then you get the other leg. What about my arms? And then my hands? And then my feet? And then
Only
each
get-
individual
you
finger?
only have 6 limbs. I guess that's you could make more if you want.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Okay, well that's cool. So it's good to have in the library. So let's do 3-dimensional text. Oh, what's this one?
No, it's the same one.
Same one? Yeah.
Oh
I don't
wait.
know where to get. I don't. From.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think you're looking
but
at the wrong hangman.
I must have been here. Yeah, I was here. This is what I was looking at. So I was looking at the wrong one.
Yeah.
And this is the finalized one. YouTube Kylie Ying. This is all Kylie Ying's code. Import random.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, this makes more sense from what you were
Yeah.
talking about. So this is where the lives visual.
Oh yeah.
From Hangman Visual. Oh, okay. So this is referencing Hangman Visual. The lives visual import string,
Yeah.
right?
More,
Random words, get valid words,
Yeah.
random
Yeah,
words
that's
from the
what-
JSON file.
That's
Yeah.
the function. I was wondering where the hell that function is.
Yeah, this is adding up more. I follow what you're saying now. Return word dot upper, yeah, uppercase, making it uppercase. Define hangman word equals get valid words. Word letters equals set word letters in the word. Alphabet set all uppercase. Use letters equals set what the user has guessed. Lives equals 7. Oh, you get 7 lives. Get user input while length of the word letters is greater than 0 and lives are greater than 0. You have blank lives left, and you have used these letters. Not Chinese
Yeah.
letters.
Yeah. Yeah. And then your letter.
Else, if user letter in Word, letters word letters dot remove user letter print. Else lives equals lives minus 1, which takes away a life.
You're wrong one, you get wrong. You get less chances.
All right. Yeah, it makes sense. That all makes more sense than the other thing. So where is it printing? Okay.
Was it printing what?
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Here. That's what I was looking for.
The visuals? Yeah.
Yeah, print the live visuals if you guess a letter wrong, basically.
Yeah. And that's a lot of what Python debugging and stuff is just looking for stuff like that.
Yeah, okay.
And the other one highlighted in there as well, so.
Say that again.
You see how you highlighted the one print lives visual da 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 da, and then on line 65 it also highlighted the same line.
Yeah.
See that?
I did notice that.
It's like, oh, here's the same function call.
These functions are related.
Yeah. Oh, they're identical, actually.
Yeah.
Different times.
Correct. Correctamundo. Commando.
All right, you wanna have a little bit of hubris and just clone tic-tac-toe and just go through the code, because that's normally how I operate.
Sure, let's do it. So let's.
I think you got the basics enough now to.
Yeah, so let's look
Which
at.
is
Let's do
both
that.
good and bad.
Well, you know.
At least you'll have examples to go back through, right? That's the.
Here's the thing. Where are we? Let's do code. Hangman. Do it. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I want tic-tac-toe. I can look at tic-tac-toe. GitHub tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe. Give me a tic-tac. Get me off of that Kit Kat bar. We're gonna go code. We're gonna go copy. We're gonna go to Visual Studio. Where'd that go? That's weird. Oh, that is this.
So you should just go back one directory. So cd dot dot cd space dot dot.
Okay, then go git clone.
No, correct.
And then I go tic-tac-toe, and we're gonna look at the README. You die. Sorry, the word was up. Okay. Player, there's game. Player.
Yeah. So if you cd into, you want to go in the code first. Or you just want to run it.
Oh, I guess let's run it. See what it does. So I want to go Python
No, you need to cd into the directory. You gotta put
DDE kick. Oh,
that way too, but you have to call the actual Python file. So you don't have to go into the directory.
sorry, what do I do?
Technically, but it's just easier to go into the directory.
Okay, what do I do?
See where you are. If Python game.py, if you're in the tic-tac-toe folder.
How do I get into the tic-tac-toe folder? That's what I was trying to do.
Just do what you were doing. All I was saying was that you don't have to do that. Python command from there.
Oh, I see.
See the directory. Should work.
Oh, I did an equal sign by accident. That's what happened. Ah. Oh,
Yeah.
and then Python game.py.
Yeah.
I'm searching.
All right.
Did it just talk? I think it just
I don't
talked.
think it. Did it talk? I don't think it talked. I don't think it's supposed to talk.
Poster and input move. Oh, I see. 1 to 9, so I'm gonna go 4. I'm gonna go 4.
That's how they do it.
I'm gonna go.
Your head is covering up the thing.
Wow.
You just gotta move the just if you scroll, if you make the folder bigger. Oh yeah, that'll work too.
So we'll go here. And then where was I? Oh, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3. The block. Go for 2. Go for
You're
2.
quick, yeah.
Yeah. I'll go for 9.
Invalid square.
Oh, 8, I mean. It's a tie. Okay. Human
It's
play.
crap. All right, I think you get that, hey?
Yeah, makes sense. Well,
So it displays a grid.
yeah, it displays the grid. Here it tells you where it is, so you can just use your number keys, enter.
Yeah.
Obviously,
Only 2 files for this one.
there's game. Look, PyCache. What's this?
That's just something. I don't know what that is. It's something that runs when you run it, I think.
Okay. Well, let's look at this. Import math, import time from player import, human player, random computer player, smart computer player. So that's the definitions for those.
Oh yeah,
must be
so
in-
player. Really, what she introduced in here was putting your functions into other files that you can include from other ones. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, class. Oh, actually, maybe you should have watched this one because this is classes.
Mhm.
Because there's a player class and then there's a human player class. So I guess the player class is the computer. Here is the human.
Yeah, there's a human player. That's me, and then the random computer player, and then a smart computer player. So I guess that's the advanced class. Yeah, I can. It's not too late for me to play her video though. That's fine. Class tic-tac-toe. Making the board. Next to the board. Oh yeah, it's printing these. The row. Different one. If. Oh, I see.
Yeah, this is you're writing this from scratch, and this is like your project. That's to
Wow, it's pretty cool.
yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Let's do one more. What's 7? Project 7.
Okay, project 7 is let's see, one sec.
Binary search. Oh no.
Tic-tac-toe AI.
I just skipped the Minesweeper. you want to go in order? Up to you. Which one's the one that's most interesting to you, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So then we'll do this again. Visual Studio Code. I gotta go. What is it? CD space dot dot.
Yeah. That's the same for Linux, by the way.
Okay. So now I want to go git clone Minesweeper CD mine sweeper, and then
I don't know if Windows. Put that later.
where the file is. Yeah, minesweeper.py. Oops. Minesweeper.py. Whoa, where would I like to dig? As in row column. So that it's not giving me numbers on the top and bottom. Oh yeah, there are. So it's 9 by 9. So I'm gonna say 9, 9. Okay. Where would I like to dig? So I'll say 9, 8. Huh. Now I'm gonna say
Those numbers are 2 away and 2 away. Numbers mean?
huh?
It's the huh? I
What?
don't remember the rules for Minesweeper. But the
Well-
number means that there's 2 around it, right?
Yeah. So right now, right here where the cursor's highlighted, there's a mine there. As this one has to be contacting 2. This one's only contacting. This one's only contacting 1.
Yeah.
So this has to be empty. This has to be a mine right there.
Yeah.
So it would be 8. 8. Oops. 8. And now it gets complicated.
Yeah. I hate it.
Oh, actually, this will be 9 and 7. So we'll go 9, 7. Oh, no. Gotta be precise.
Yeah, make it blow up now.
Okay, now I'll go. Yeah, I'm not terrible at this game, but by making a typo, I would definitely lose it. So let us go 8, 9. Make it fail. Oh, yeah, I knew that was it. Son of a bee!
Alright, let's look at this one. This looks kind of neat. Look at the codes. Look at the codes, and don't call it codes ever, because I'm making fun of somebody when I say codes. But don't tell anybody. Oh yeah, there's the YouTube directly to that one. You see that? Check out the tutorial directly to that one. I wonder which one that goes to.
Well, it goes to the one that I'm playing.
Is it like time stamped or
Well, it would have to be. Yeah, I would guess. Or I don't know if it's time stamped.
Yeah. Anyway.
Or no, that's just her YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I think. That's
Well,
interesting.
that's a lot of stuff there.
If you do-
Spotify, Spotify programmer beast mode Spotify playlist.
If you do not edit the parameters in the script will automatically initialize it to a 10 by 10 board with 10 bombs.
Your own 100 by 100. Probably.
For now, the script does not have a GUI, and you can use terminal. If you want to make a GUI, feel free to make a pull request.
Yeah, no, not that.
Well, that's cool.
That's the other part too. That's the nice part about open source stuff and learning Git is if you find something that you're capable of fixing, just fix it. Put in a pull request.
All right, so let's look at.
Look at some codes. Coda. I'm gonna stop that because you're gonna catch it. I'm gonna be mad.
Or somebody's gonna,
Dim,
on the off chance somebody watches your stream and makes fun of you.
dim size, dim.
This one's Minesweeper empty, and I'm not sure. Import random, creating a board object to represent the Minesweeper board.
I can tell. Okay, so we'll tell you one thing right away. I think if you see, the first thing you see in the top part of it is a class. You're in a file that's being included. So the minesweeper.py is the main file.
Oh, I know.
Okay,
I think this is the empty board.
but the classes are all where all the functions are. That's how that's all.
This is the empty board, right?
Yeah, correct.
Because it's showing all the nodes. Okay, and this is the bread and butter. This is the meat of the sandwich.
Yeah, but it's usually. Oh, there's a class in there too. So my whole thing that I just said is.
Weird.
Never mind me.
Same with me. Mm-hmm.
Make a new board. Share a new board. And then you're doing that stuff, yeah. Where did I see? Did I see a 10 by 10 there? You can probably, you could probably change this to make this ridiculous. Like 30 by 30 or 50 by 50 somewhere. Oh yeah, get them bring bombs.
Get a max column width for printing.
What?
Oh, I'm just I don't know. Oh, that's fascinating.
It is, eh?
What
Oh,
is
Minesweeper works behind the scenes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's fascinating actually. This is a good example
Yeah.
of
And
the
that's-
what do you
so
what
the
do you
other-
call that?
Yeah, the other one too is I don't if she wrote this stuff from scratch, I'm very impressed. I don't write most people don't write Python straight from scratch. They find examples that do what are close to what they want to do and then modify them.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not her. I don't know how she did it. Obviously. Import random, import.
Yeah, you're already better at Python than some of my former coworkers.
Well, that's good.
And I'm not afraid to say that to anybody because I would say that in the office openly.
Well, thanks.
Yeah.
And show me the money. Show me the money, Jerry.
I don't know if you want this on stream or not, but I might as well. So, I think we'll wrap this up till the end here, and we'll wrap this up.
Yeah, we got 5 minutes because we started on time.
Well, kinda.
Well, we did. Haven't have any technical difficulties during the live broadcast. Still counts as broadcast.
Airtime still counts as viewable hours. All right. Something you froze. I froze. We're not actually frozen, but we think we froze.
I'm not frozen.
Yeah. Because my Discord, I think it was just my Discord. I could not see about half of it. Just because of the video quality on my end. So I'm not going to be joining in on the Surface again. That's 100% for sure.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's
100% for sure, and that's why I actually went and bought the thing, the Mac Mini in the first place. I'm gonna say one of my biggest guys, the guy who hired me at Trinimbus, left on Friday. Was his last day. Most patient guy. I heard him raise his voice slightly once.
He left from where, the last place or the new place?
No, he left from Rackspace.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, all of the whole place is falling apart. Just to anybody. Even the news is all over the place. It was good for a while, but it's no.
Well, that sucks for coworkers and stuff, but
For coworkers, they're closing every office.
yeah, it happens.
Just a little high and by, and they're closing the office, so everybody's like doing like the Scrooge. Want that desk? Oh, you want that fridge? Oh, you want that white? So people are taking apart desks to take them home and stuff. It was kind of entertaining, but whatever.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, but I was gonna ask, are there any projects at work? Do they invite you to the cloud stuff or not?
Not really, no. I have some things that they there's things that they could use, but I would, like, I know that my colleague has made programs for them before, and they haven't really been receptive to using them.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm not. I probably won't do anything for them, not in my current position anyway. But if for some reason I wind up moving over to product development because of my interest in cloud stuff and the direction that it seems like product development is going, then definitely. But right now, not really. Because I really wanted to do that AWS Panorama until I found out that a Panorama appliance costs $4,000.
Yeah.
And I went, well, they're not going to want to do experiments with that. Like, I just wanted to do it so they could make more sales with some of our equipment. But
Yeah.
because we have an on-viv camera in one of our pieces of equipment, and more are coming, but it's just not worth it. It would be more worth it for a company who wants to do it to say, hey, can your equipment do this? And we'll go, yeah, we have an on-viv camera. We can get that set up.
So.
And at that point, absolutely. But that's AWS, not Python anyway.
What you may want to stop my video because.
All right, but let's get off the stream. We can talk about this off stream. I'm going to thank you everyone for watching. Peace out. We'll catch you on the flip side. See you next time.